Hello pet lovers! Today, we're excited to introduce the Dog Blow Dryer and Grooming Vacuum Kit, a versatile grooming solution designed to make your pet care routine easier and more efficient. This all-in-one kit features a 2.5-liter capacity and includes 16 professional tools, such as 8 adjustable length guide combs, an electric clipper, and a variety of grooming and de-shedding brushes, perfect for pets with long, short, thick, or curly hair. With its powerful vacuum suction of up to 16,000 pascals and 3 levels of suction adjustment, it effectively collects 99% of pet hair while trimming and grooming, ensuring a clean home environment. The kit also boasts a 3-level hot air blower with adjustable temperature and speed settings, allowing you to dry your pet's fur while keeping it straight, fluffy, and clean, all while operating at noise levels below 60 decibels to keep your pet calm. Designed with convenience in mind, the electric clipper is Type-C rechargeable and can be used independently, while the retractable hose and various blower nozzles cater to all your pet grooming needs. Whether you're dealing with shedding, drying, or cleaning, the GROBELL Pet Grooming Vacuum and Dryer Kit is your go-to solution for a comprehensive grooming experience at home. Say goodbye to frequent trips to the grooming salon and hello to a happier, cleaner pet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.